welcome back to Zappa's Garage. Please like and subscribe.
All right. You remember that old commercial for New Finish? Well, I'm going to redo it right now. We're here at this auto graveyard to show you the strength of this degreaser. I'm going to apply some on here. I'm going to agitate it a little bit. Well, this degreaser, I believe my brother bought it at a garage sale about 20 years ago. Let's see how well it takes.
It wasn't quite 20 years ago.
I'm going to leave a little bit in the front so we can actually see anything.
We'll do the half the hood and then make a comparison.
Yeah, we'll do half. We'll do half of half the hood.
Oh, okay, half. Oh man.
Well, it looks like we're not buying any purple clear. We're going to be using this.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think after we clean this thing, we'll shoot a coat of clear. Oh, we'll roll a coat of clear on this thing with a roller, paint roller, and lock in all this patina. It's going to look really good with a 440 under the hood.
440, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Anybody out there with an extra 440 and a 727 trans laying around?
And an A body 8 3/4. Let us know.
For free or cheap, give us a call.
We will pick it up.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna try a different type of cleaner on this hood, just for giggles. What do you got there, Paul?
GP66 Miracle Cleaner.
All right, somebody donated a case of it to me, and we're gonna try it out.
Protestant church company or something like that.
All right. Yeah, you apply it liberally. Agitate it.
Work it in.
Work it in. Oh man, I think that stuff works better than that orange or whatever it is.
This is only about 10 years old. The other stuff's aged, fermented.
It was a good year.
Oh yeah, we're
Like a fine champagne.
Yeah, good vintage.
All right, now. Oh, come on. Come on,
Look,
really?
takes the paint right off.
Really?
How many more of these do you have?
I got a couple more than that.
We're gonna need them.
Man. Phew. The price of this Mopar just went way up. Oh man. What a gem.
So's a piece of coal until 20 million years later and tons and tons of pressure comes into a diamond.
Yeah. Diamond in the rough.
There you go. This thing's been sitting in the back of the shop down death row just waiting to come back to life. That's just what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna be cruising. This will be out on the next part.
I don't know, maybe we should have just left all the dirt on it too. Yeah, maybe not.
Ray would have got it anyways. Before and after. What's your before and after?
All right. Gonna check this out.
I spend thousands of dollars.
Yeah. Oh, look at
Body
that.
shop.
Look at that. Wow.
Stuff looks great. Price is right.
That used to be a game show, wasn't it? All right. We're gonna continue on with this journey of the 62 Dodge Lancer station wagon. When was the last time you saw one? Hey, right now, looking at one now. All right, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, please.